Welcome to Louisiana Gardening Family. Today we go and start harvesting our pear because we've been having a terrible attack from the squirrels. They've been getting enough of our pear trees, so we just gonna start getting some. So they don't because they just let it fall all over the place.
Yeah, so let's show them how like about every day we come outside and we collect chicken food.
We getting piles of pears. That's not good because they're just like eating one.
Let them see that one, how them little rat marks. And we watched Lead Farmer 73, and he had his peaches that were just, getting demolished. So Mr. Lead, I guess we can say that we're joining the club of the squirrel. And he had like this squirrelinator that was catching squirrels, but them little things were fast. I don't know how you could, them things were crazy, but that squirrelinator was catching them. So maybe next year we'll invest in that squirrelinator to try to see how can we slow them down. So
yeah. And we don't even know that we've been having this pear because like we didn't even see no flower on our tree. We don't even know that they really like they got pears that's going to exist on our tree this year.
So we've seen them before, but when we bought the property we didn't think that they would even have any on here. And just one day we just came out and we're like, man, there's pears on the tree. So you'll see, look at this sucker. You hit it. They're just eating off of it, and then they just throw it. I don't mind you eating some, but man, eat the thing. So I guess they eat a little bit, get their stomach full, get some for their babies, and then I guess they say, well, he'll feed his chickens, I guess. Maybe they know they saving something for the chickens. So let's start to harvesting our own. And these things are sweet. So I can understand why they're actually eating them, because we've actually bitten into them. Usually pears are hard, but these are actually
hard, but like
hard, but like a fresh hard.
Yes, it's pretty sweet.
Yeah. So we're not going to actually pair them. Maybe in a year to come we can actually get enough to start canning them. But just this year we just basically want to eat them. Do like the squirrels. And my children are just like squirrels. They don't eat the whole thing either. Like they eat, and then you walking around the house and you like stumble over. So this is our bells getting them out of the tree. Which is probably not the ideal thing. So for people that are like a container gardening, right, your tree would never get this big, but I don't know how else you would get these things out of the tree. Other than some kind of long stick method. Now, when we were in the Philippines, they do have this mechanism where Belle's little lazy self could have made, or actually you can grab it's kind of like made out of a piece of clothes hanger, and you basically tie it up to your pole and you use it to hook it. Why you didn't make that?
I'm lazy. I feel like doing it.
But they really have good ingenious
yeah, you can
methods.
Just put your
put something on the end of that, the hanger on the end of it, tape it up.
Let me go try to do that.
And we just bought that tape too. Now YouTube has given her the feel that she wants to go and try to grab something. We're gonna come right back with this one. Give us a second. She's running off. Okay, so while she's gone, I'm gonna try to make something with this, right? I'm thinking I can put a hole in here. Y'all see that? Wait! That's your pipe over there.
Where's my pipe?
Quick little hole. Let's stick this PVC pipe in the back. and I'm gonna get it to tape down, and then I'm gonna cut something here for a grabber. Let me see. Make it about the size of a pear, maybe. Let's see. It's on. Look at that. Now I just gotta tape it up. What I'm hoping it's gonna do is I'm gonna grab the pear under here, and when I pull down, it'll pull the pear with it. Hopefully that works. I'm gonna get some real tape, woman.
Actually worked. I got some. It worked on mine. I don't know these. I got one.
Alright, so I can't find the tape to finish off my product. Let me see if I can get an angle on what she's doing. Hold on. Alright, let's go. It's up high, we see it, and she pulls. Mine's gonna work better.
Oh! No.
On the ground. She's going for another one. I got a thing I can put on here to stop this glare. Here she goes. Is it in there? Oh no, let me go ahead on and get my thing together. I'm going to have to show y'all how it's done. Hold on, let me go get it. I think it was working before I got out here. And she was feeling good about it. Hold on one second. Alright, let me see how it's done. Got this. Let's start doing my taping. Alright, so here she goes. Just like that. Just like that. Oh, just like that, baby. Is it in there? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know when this thing's gonna cut off. When it cuts off, I'm gonna say thank y'all for watching Louisiana Gardening Family in advance, because we over here, so I'm not gonna know when it's gonna cut off. But we'll keep picking until it cuts off, and I'll keep bragging when I keep winning.
You can win.
The squirrels, I think what I want to say is, I think the squirrels were been telling us, and they got mad at us because they was like, hey bro, these things are ripe, like y'all want them, and so they would eat one of them, but they wouldn't eat the whole thing, and we kept putting it off, and then we'll come out and it's like, I don't know, 10, 15 of them on the ground. So this is what we actually got today. So we will come out, and there's all these on the ground, and they're like, we ain't gonna eat it all, man, but y'all need to get it. But it's so high in the air that we kept putting it off. So we finally got these today to try to go out and catch some. So we end up getting about, I would say about 15, 20 of them. But we should have gotten at least 100. So it turned that it became chicken food.
Chicken food?
Yeah, so our chickens are gonna like, and those squirrels were begging us to get them, like, man, that's sweet, come get them, But we can't help ourselves, we gotta eat them. So that's the way God has made it.
You gotta share.
You gotta share, and you better go get your fruits when the animals are telling you that they're ready. Because that's why they get attacked plenty of times, right?
Yep.
So let's get out of here. Peace.